Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to set up Danfoss Thermostat. Firstly, always turn off the power of your heating system at the main circuit breaker to prevent electrical short during installation. Install the thermostat approximately 1.5 meters above the floor or on an interior wall. Ensure it's away from a direct sunlight, drafts, doorway, or any heat sources like televisions. This placement ensures accurate temperature readings. Remove the thermostat's front cover to access the mounting plate and position the mounting plate on the wall and mark the screws holes. Drill holes at the marked points and insert wall anchors if necessary, then secure the mounting plate to the wall using screws. Refer to the right in diagrams specific to your thermostat model. Diagrams are typically found in the user manual of the thermostat's backplate. Connect the wires from your heating system to the corresponding terminals on the thermostat. For instance, the RMT24 model has specific wiring configurations detailed in the manual. Ensure all connections are tight and secure. After installation, set the desired temperature and program the schedules as per your comfort needs. Some models, like the TP9000, offer advanced programming options for customized settings. Restore power to your heating system, adjust the thermostat to initiate the heating or cooling system, and ensure it's operating correctly. For details, instructions, and model-specific guidelines, always refer to the user manual provided with your thermostat. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.